We are glad to welcome you on a Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this short and quick video I'll show how you can remove Apple Music from lock screen. So sometimes this little bug occurs that leaves the Apple Music widget on your screen lock or on your lock screen without any actual tracks being played, just the hollow interface. So in order to quickly fix it, the only solution that I've been able to find which works is to go into your iPhone settings, then enter the Face ID and passcode category, input your passcode of course, then scroll down, find the Allow Access When Locked selection and switch off the Today View and Search, Control Center and Reply with Message options, and that should fix your issue, hopefully. Anyway, that'll be it for this video, so thanks for watching and bye bye.